Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Kartra account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin team member into your Kartra account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your Kartra account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and sometimes you need to add them into your Kartra account to help manage your various projects. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or a team member, you need to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you will see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Team Members. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the team members you have inside your Kartra account. You can see it's just me. However, in order to add an admin or a team member, you need to click on this blue box down here with the plus icon. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and add an admin into your Kartra. First, you need to choose their role. So click on this drop-down. Now, you can choose between these. If you need help defining these, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So basically, this is going to determine how much access they have to your Kartra account. If they're just making content, you can click right here. If they're only supporting the orders, you can click right here. Full access. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add this person as an admin. Next, you want to go ahead and add their username that'll be used as your Kartra profile. So we'll do admin, and here you want to go ahead and add their name. Okay. Next, you want to go ahead and enter in their email. You do need to use their real email because they will receive an email confirming access as an admin in your Kartra, and then you'll set up a password. So if you're going to just tell them the password, you can go ahead and uncheck this box. Okay. After you create the admin or the team member, it's going to be added right here, and you can see that person is now added as an admin into my Kartra account. They also received an email requesting them to accept the invitation. And once they start using their admin account in your Kartra, you can go ahead and check their activity right here on this button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Kartra account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.